Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's art journal project, I will be using this watercolor paper and this stencil I'll be using for the project, and these distress oxide colors I will be using for the background, and this dye I will be using as a focal point along with some stamps. Then I'll be using molding paste. Then I'll be using this gesso. You can grab a coffee, relax, join me doing this project. Now I'm using distress oxide spray on the watercolor, and then I'm spraying water. I will list all the things I use in this project in the description box below. Then I'm going to heat dry it. Now I'm drying everything. You can see that watercolor paper absorbs everything very well. I was not very pleased with the vintage photo colors, so I'm trying to put gesso, and I wanted more of a yellow color, so I'm trying to put the gesso and change a little bit. So this is one of the tip I could say, that if you have any problem you can put gesso and change it and make it a different background. So now I have to dry everything. Then once it's all dry, I'm going to spray again the yellow color which I wanted it. Now it's all dry, so I'm just spraying some water and spreading it out. And another tip is, if you are not satisfied with the color, you can use any color, but I'm here using neo color to darken those blue distress oxide. I needed that little dark on the edges, so I'm trying to add the colors on that top. I'm trying to blend everything together. I'm spraying some water also and blending it. Now I'm using stamps. This is a text stamp from Stampendius. Then I'm using Stampus Anonymous stamps for the background to create some interest in the background. Then I'm using this mixed stamps. I don't know the name of this, but I'm using all different kinds of stamps from this. I'm using blue archival ink. Then I'm also using brown archival ink. Now to create some interest, I'm also using some washi tape. I'm having trouble taking out the tape. I'm just trying to tear the edges and then stick it on different areas. Now I'm going to use molding paste. I'm using this silicone brush, so that helps me easier way for putting the molding paste. Now while it is wet, I'm using this glitter powder on the top. Then once it's all dry, I'm using this Studio Light stamp for the edges. Now I'm going to darken the edges. Now it's time for the focal point. I'm going to stick the focal point on the page. Now once it's all dry, I'm going to put this glossy accent on the top. Then I'm putting the coat on the page. So before putting the coat, I am using this Posca pen. I'm putting some dots here and there to give an extra texture to the background. You can even splatter it if you don't want to do the dots on the background. Now for the coat, I'm using, it's always the small pieces that make the big picture. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments. That will be very helpful. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video with a new idea. So thanks for watching. Bye.